Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Pamam Education channel. Students, today we are going to learn basic cost accounting, in which the topic is process costing and its other name is cost of production report. Dear students, let's we move to its seventh problem. Without clause in second department. Students, the problem number is 7.7, which is taken from the book of Professor Sohail Afzal. Now students, let's to read this problem carefully, which is in front of your screen, and try to solve this problem with the basic manners. Students, let's start. Problem number 7.7. CPR stands for Cost of Production Reports, second department, without loss. The units corporation uses a process costing system. Cost data of its finishing departments for the month of August 2015 is as under. as under. As under. Dear students, cost from preceding department is 60,000 rupees. Students, this is that cost which is incurred preceding department to manufacture the units. Now the costs which is direct material cost is 97,500 rupees, and direct labor cost 58,500 rupees, and factory overhead 39,000 rupees. Quantity schedule of the departments contain following information. Units received from preceding department is 20,000 units. Unit transfer to finished goods 80,000 units. Unit still in process 75% complete. As are 2,000 units. Now students, the requirement is a cost of production report will be maintained with the help of given data. Now students, we will move other slide, which is the main slide to solve this problem. Is here PROB is Yunus Corporation, Department number 2, Cost of Production Report for the month of August 2015. Now students, this is the first section, like as quantity schedule, in which units received from preceding department is 20,000 units, and units transfer to finished goods is 18,000 units, and units still in process is 2,000 units. Students, in this problem there is no lost units is available. Now students, this is the 20,000 units which is matched with this amount. Then we move to second section as a cost charged to department. Here cost from preceding department is 60,000 units, 60,000 rupees. Now per unit cost we have to find here, divided this amount divided by total units which are received from the preceding department is this. Now students, we put the manufacturing costs which are occurred in second department. Direct labor cost is 97,500 rupees, 97,500 rupees, same as 58,500, 39,000 rupees as a factory overhead. Now we sum up in these figures here. $1,95,000 cost is occurred in department 2. Dear students, 1,95,000 rupees cost is incurred in this department 2. Now we add the preceding cost and current cost which is incurred in this department here. This is the total cost which is incurred in both departments, 2,55,000 rupees. The students, this is here, right? Total cost to be accounted for, right? Now students, we find the per unit cost. For which we have to move the fourth section as a addition competition here to find out the equivalent production in direct material, direct labor and factory overhead here. Now students, we have to write here the completed units which are transferred to the finished department here, which are 18,000 units, and also 18,000 units here. Now we write the units still in process here, 2000 units and also 2000 units. Students, we have to write here completion of work, degree completion of work here, which are 75%, 75% here, 75% here, and 75% here. Now we find the units completed in work in process and inventory. Here we have to multiply 2000 units with the degree of completion. Then we will find the units which are completed in still in process at ending inventory, which are 1500 units as a direct material, and we copied here again other two which are also the same 1500 units and 1500 units with direct labor and factory overhead. Now we add the both units completed and units in process as a completed form here, which are this plus this. Dear student, this is the degree of completion. Equivalent production in material, same as we have to copy the below also. These are the equivalent production in direct material, direct labor, and factory overhead. Now students, we move now to find the per unit cost. For this purpose, we have to put the cost here and units completed here. The revenue cost is the 97,500 rupees, same as direct labor cost is 58,000 rupees 500, same as 39,000 rupees as a factory overhead. Now students, we put the units completed in the equivalent production here, 19,500 as a direct material, as a direct labor, and as a factory overhead here. Now we will find per unit cost here. We have to divide the cost by number of units completed in equivalent production. This is the 5 rupees per unit in as a material cost, same as we copied below. Then we find the per unit cost as a direct labor and factory overhead here. Now students, this is the per unit cost belong to the direct material, direct labor, and factory overhead. Now we move second section to put these per unit costs in given column. Now we will move the second section. Yes student, this is the column of per unit cost here. Then we have to add here per unit cost as a material K48, same as K49, K40 49 here, same as K50, same as K51. Now students, these are the per unit cost against direct material cost, direct labor cost and factory overhead cost. Now we add these costs in this place. Sigma add the rate sum. This is a 10 rupees per unit cost in this department. Now we add this with preceding per unit cost. Then we find the total cost per unit. Total cost per unit here. Student, 13 rupees is the total cost per unit. Now we move third section. Cost accounted for as follows. Cost accounted for as follows here. Now transfer to the next department or finishing department is here. Dear student, 80,000 units are transferred to the finishing department. The per unit cost is here. Student, the cost of 80,000 which are transferred to finished goods is 2,34,000 rupees here. Now we move work in process ending inventory cost here. How many units are still in process? 2,000 units are still in process. The cost is here. The cost is here as a 3 rupees per unit preceding department. Student, this is the adjustment cost from preceding department here. Now we find the cost against this. We have to multiply 2,000 units at the rate of Rupee 3 per unit here. This is the 6,000 rupees as a adjustment cost from preceding department. Now students, we find the cost which are incurred in this department as a student process here. 2,000 units and per unit cost is class K49 here. Now we multiply the both values here. Into 5. This is the degree of completion is not given here. We have to put here degree of completion 75% as a degree of completion here. Now we multiply three figures here is equal to 2000 multiply 75 multiply 5. Dear student, this is the 7,500 rupees as a direct material cost which are incurred still in process units. Now we move direct labor as a 2,000. The degree of completion is here 25% and the cost per unit is here This is the per unit cost. Now we again multiply 2000 into this 4500 rupees the cost which is incurred in student process as a direct labor cost. Now students, we have to multiply for factory overhead cost here. Students, this is the factory overhead cost which are incurred still in process units. Now we add all the values, here. Then we find the 21,000 rupees as a cost which is incurred those units which are still in process. Now we add this value with this, then we will find that final value to lakh 55,000 rupees. Dear student, this is the reconciliations amount which is must be tally with the second manufacturing cost is here, which is 2,55,000 rupees. Students, both figures are matched, then it is clear that our problem is 100% accurate. Now students, I think you have learned and understood this problem clearly. If you have any problem from this video, this question, please comments me on my channel, so I will try to my best to remove your problem at once. Dear students, if you are clear and understand about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Dear students, one more thing is that for learning about cost of production report, so you have to see my all videos consecutively so that you can clear your all concepts about this topic. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.